Alright guys, you guys know I do a ton of electrical diagnostic and installation and all that stuff, and my old multimeter, my old Multimate was not only out of production, but it's out of spec too. So since my birthday's Friday, I decided I'll spend $500 on myself and got this new snap-on unit, which does everything that can in that form factor. So happy birthday to me, but not my bank account. But next up, the 69 Camaro RS Z28 recreation is coming in for its safety check. Now, when I tell you this car is as clean underneath as it is on top, it's insane. Wait till you get a look at this one on the lift.